This is Structon. If you're interested in technology news in Africa and beyond, then this is the right channel for you to subscribe. So Uganda's satellite PearlAfricaSat-1 was deployed into the low Earth orbit from the International Space Station a few days ago on December 2nd of 2022.
PearlAfricaSat-1 from Uganda. Are you ready?
PearlSat-1, we are ready. Go!
Now, this satellite is designed to provide research and observation data that will provide solutions in weather forecast, land, water bodies, mineral mapping, and agriculture monitoring. It will also play a major role in disaster prevention, infrastructure planning, and border security, especially along the long border that Uganda shares with DRC, which is mostly forest. So they experience a lot of insecurity on that region, and this will play a bigger part in restoring security. And again, if you look at disaster prevention, Uganda recently had major floods in the eastern side of Uganda, specifically the Mbale region, and now with this satellite they will be able to forecast the weather, and they can easily tell people in advance that this is gonna happen. Maybe it's going to flood, so you need to move away in advance, and in the process they will end up saving a lot of lives. Now, this satellite was made by 3 Ugandan engineers. The satellite was made by 3 Ugandan engineers. Of course, the engineers were trained in Japan with the help of the Japanese engineers, and for me, I see this as a big win for Uganda, as now it joins 11 other countries in Africa that have launched satellites into space through the International Space Station. Now, I would like to hear your thoughts in the comment section on whether you think that we as Africa, as a continent, we can come up with our own space station and maybe one space agency. I know that you don't know this, but in every African country, they have a space agency. Each country, even your country, it has a space agency where people get paid salaries each month. Of the space agency, it is government owned, a government agency. And from what I think, all this time that this agency has been around, I think that by now they must have amassed or get enough knowledge. Like, most of them are being trained by the Japanese, some by the Russians, others by the Chinese or the Americans. And in my thoughts, or in my mind, I will think that by now they have gained enough technical know-how or enough, information when it comes to how you can be able to come up with a space station. And maybe if we came together, we can be able to come up with our own space station as a continent. Also, I want you to watch this video and let me know in the comment section, what do you think about it? And I would also like to know your thoughts on the technology in Uganda and its position in Africa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to be updated anytime that we do upload any new content.